How to get working Wingstop promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Wingstop promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Wingstop. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website. Coupon follow. You can also check out this one website, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deal. Just scroll and check $5 off, 30% off, $100 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now you can copy it, then click on redeem at wingstop.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you land to the website, log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to order. Then proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wingstop. Lastly, check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Wingstop. So this is how you can easily get working Wingstop promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.